this is Tony with DIY All Day, and today we are replacing a water filter on this Samsung refrigerator. You only need two tools for this. A pair of pliers, you may not even need them, but it's safe to have them, and a Sharpie so that you can put the date on it, so that way when you pull it out, you're like, wow, I really should have replaced this sooner. It's also good to add it into an Alexa reminder or some type of Google Calendar reminder so that you replace it. I believe the interval on this is every 3 to 6 months. All right, let's get started. On this refrigerator, the filter is down at the bottom. You don't need to bother turning off the water. You can just twist it. This one comes right out, so you don't even need those pliers. Let's see. There's no date on this one, so I'm not sure how long this one's been in there. Today's date is March 1st. Plug it right back in there. Twist it until it... Well, this would help, wouldn't it? Let's try that again, shall we? Push it in there. Twist it until it locks in. Make sure it's completely in the locked position. And you are good to go. Now, the thing you want to remember is after you change out a filter, go ahead and run a cup under your water for 6 to 7 cups just to flush out any impurities in the filter and in the line. And if you want to go the extra mile, go ahead and dump out some of the ice that gets generated over the next 24 hours and you're good to go. So you've got your filter installed, everything's good. You got to reset the filter status on the fridge. Right here where it says water, reset filter, you hold this for 3 seconds. And that's it. Your filter status indicator is all set. Thank you so much. This is Tony, DIY All Day. Subscribe, leave comments if you have any questions. Until the next one.